Okay, so we just built a nice fire pit for my daughter, and I'm going to get a campfire going. I want to show you how to do a campfire. Now, I hope this works. Usually I have about a 2-foot log I can put in here. I don't have one of those today. So I've got some oak here, and I'm going to line it right up like this. There we go. Let's try that. Then what I'm going to do is take some scrap paper and leaves and put it at the bottom. So let's do that. Here's some leaves. I've got some scrap paper here. In fact, let's do the paper first. And we'll put dry leaves on top of it. Just like that. I'm going to fold it, kind of crumple it up a little bit. This is just for like a nice backyard fire. And let's do that. I'm going to put leaves on top of it. And then maybe some more leaves from over here. Okay, now I'm going to start with some very small sticks. You want to burn small and work your way up to big. So let's do that. Here's some small sticks. Just like this. As it gets hotter, it'll work its way up, and then you'll have a large fire. So let's throw in a little bit more, like this. And let's see, now let's go just a little bit bigger. There we go. I call this a one-strike fire, because it should be lit with one match or one light. Here's some bigger ones here. Again, I want to put all the small stuff I have. Now I'm out of small stuff. Let's put larger material on here, and I'm going to fan it out some too. See this, like this? Fan it out. Just like that. Put that all around there. Looks like a teepee, doesn't it? And before I light it, I'll take a close-up shot of it so you see exactly what we did. There we go. Make sure it's teepeed so the air can flow through it. And let's put this right over here, like this. And here's one more piece right here. Let's shove that right in there. So let me show you a close-up video clip of it. There's another one there. Okay, so here's the fire pit we just built. There's a video on this that's separate than this one. This is how to start a campfire in your backyard. Again, notice I took some oak and put it over here, although I would use a 2-foot log if I had it. This is a small log, about 5 or 6 inches deep or in circumference. Then I put leaves and scrap paper at the bottom, very small twigs all in there. And now on the video camera, let me see if we can get it going with one light. Okay, we built our fire. We just did a videotape of a close-up. Let's see if we can get it going with one strike of a match or lighter. Now, another way to start it, I could throw about a gallon of gasoline on this and get real close like I am and light it. But you know what? My face, my eyebrows, my nose, my eyes would not like this at all. That would not even be good. I could also try to throw some lighter fluid on it. Let's say from maybe doing a charcoal grill, but you know what, that defeats the purpose. So let's see if we can light it and get her going here. Okay, there she is, all lit up, ready for hot dogs. Throw a screen over it and do some hamburgers, throw some baked potatoes in there wrapped in foil. Oh man, can't wait till summer night, Friday night activities, and also the fall. That's going to be really nice. Thanks for joining me. If you like my video, please share with others. Please subscribe to Dr. Stewart Productions. And please check out my YouTube channel for music, things you can do in your shop, woodworking, tools, Bible studies. It's just a potpourri shop of all kind of different videos and slide programs. Take care until next time. Bye.